ശ്രീമാത്രേ നമഃ. I am Dr. Kulur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 15th August 2025, Adi Masam 30th, Friday, Vishwa Vasunama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayinam, Grishma Ridau, Adi Masam, that is Kadaga Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to night 1:38 a.m., Saptami, then Ashtami, Bhriguvasaram, that is Friday, Nakshatram up to 10:04 a.m., Ashwini Nakshatram, then Bharani Nakshatram. Today's Rahuvalam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m., Guliyagalam 7:30 to 9 a.m., Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. and 5 to 6 p.m. Today's sunrise at 6:06 a.m. Chandrashtamam for Kanni Rashi. Prayachittam Jangiri